At LifeRay, we're dedicated to helping manufacturers grow through superior after-sales experiences, reducing the cost to serve customers, and empowering business users with innovative, low-code capabilities. As a manufacturer, you constantly need to adapt your business processes to address evolving challenges. But existing software solutions will rarely fit 100% of your requirements, making it necessary to implement costly customizations, either involving third parties or your own development team. With LifeRay's powerful low-code capabilities, you can easily adapt your business processes to existing and to future needs in a timely manner, without the need to involve specialized IT resources. Simply build, deliver, and manage your own applications by leveraging the out-of-the-box features of LifeRay Objects. Each application built with objects is integrated with LifeRay's core frameworks to provide a unified experience across the platform and take advantage of LifeRay's capabilities. For example, by allowing users to define data fields, manage relationships with other objects, and then design layouts to determine how fields and relationships are displayed, creating a repair request application for your customers can be accomplished in a few easy steps. Just create a new object, add fields like serial number, date of purchase, and a description of the issue, and configure where to show future repair request objects. Once a request has been submitted, a new item will be created in a predefined list, ready to be processed by your support team. LifeRay Objects also enables more complex business models. For example, you could support an equipment as a service subscription and have your customer portal show the equipment portfolio, productivity, services due, status, and more. Launch an effective customer portal with LifeRay and say goodbye to high implementation costs and long times to market. Learn more at liferay.com/manufacturing.